Yeah, now we are going to discuss this problem as h approaches 0. So we have to find the limit of this function. First of all, we better simplify this function a little bit. Yeah, when you simplify that function here, this one, so you get this, right? So this is the common denominator, right? 2 times 2 plus h, and your numerator will be 2 minus 2 plus h, right? You can cross this off and you end up with having minus h the denominator and the numerator. Then denominator will be h plus 2, h plus 2. Here you have 1 over h. You have to consider, I have to consider that one as well. Then what happened to this h? You can cross that off. Then so finally you get this rational function, right? So as so the h tends to 0, so this becomes this close to 2, then minus 1 over 2 times 2, which is minus quarter. The answer would be minus quarter. This is correct. Now we are going to find the limit of these kind of trigonometric functions. We know the famous the limit. So this is very, so we know this famous we know the limit of this famous function. Sine x over x as x tends to 0. So this function approaches 1. So we make a copy of this one. So how do you make that? So here you have 3x, then you have to make 3x here. If you add 3 on the denominator, you have to multiply by the value of 3. So then we get 3. Then we take the limit. As x tends to 0 means 3x also approaches 0. So then this term becomes 1, close to 1. Close to 1. So therefore the answer would be 3. Very easy. And the next question, modulus of x divided by x. So modulus of we know the graph of modulus of x. So here when you take the modulus, you remove the sign of the value, right? So if you have a positive x, then the modulus of is x itself, right? So if you have a negative value, you have to multiply by -1. So then you get this, right? So modulus of x divided by x would be when you have positive x, when you have positive when x is positive, modulus of x is equal to x. So when you consider this one, then this becomes 1. And when x is negative, modulus of x is negative x, then modulus of x divided by x would be -1. So it is very clear that the left hand side limit of this function is +1, right hand side limit is -1. So they are not equal, therefore limit is non-existent. And the third function is this one, which is same with the flow function. This is if you have double square, so double this bracket, this is same with the flow function. So this means you have to consider the greatest integer. So greatest integer not greater than x. For instance, if you consider the value of 0.5, right, the greatest integer would be 0. 0 is the greatest integer. which is not greater than yeah, x0 is the greatest integer not greater than yeah, 0.5. So this function gives you yeah, 0. So this is same with yeah, flow function, flow of point yeah, 5. Okay, so here so we have a flow function, or yes, both are same. So then the limit of this function at an uninteger value, we know that. So limit of yeah, so which is which exists, right? So this the limit of this function flow function does not exist at integer values, right? We remember that. Yeah, so this limit exists, and what is the value of that when you when x approaches 0.5 or 1/2, then the flow function takes yeah, 0.